All right, today I'm upgrading my RAM mount on my 2007 CBR1000RR. The original RAM mount ball that I had was this one. It was just the single bolt going down through it. Anyone that has an 06, 07 CBR1000, you know that we have the electronic steering stabilizer. So that's this part right here, and it actually covers the steering stem, so we can't use the traditional RAM mounts to go down through the steering stem. On my ZX12, you'll see the RAM mount actually goes down through the steering stem, and there's a rubber piece down in there that expands, and that's what secures it down inside the steering stem. Well, the problem with the CBRs is that we don't have access to that because of the electronic steering stabilizer. So what I had to do, the original problem that I had was this I couldn't get the double ball joint to tighten down tight enough. So this right here, part of it goes down onto the ball, and then the other one goes onto the Ram X clamp, and I couldn't get it to tighten down for some reason tight enough. So what would happen is I'd be going down the road and the phone would, bounce, or just there was some play and some movement in there. So what I decided to do was just eliminate that, and I actually got this mount from Ram, which actually has two screws in there, and the ball, and then it hooks onto the double ball joint. This actually almost perfectly is a perfectly sized spacing between the two nuts, or between the two bolts, to use the factory holes that this plastic cover on the steering stabilizer goes over. Like I said, almost. So what I had to do was I took a 1/4-inch drill bit and actually ran the 1/4-inch drill bit through the hole, and it opened it up just enough where it was a perfect size for both bolts to line up. So that, and this thing is not moving. I mean, it's it's definitely secured down there, so I don't have to worry about that. The second part of it was because of the way that the X clamp is designed. I have the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and whenever I would mount the phone in there, this arm right here would turn the volume down on the phone. It would hit the volume button. So I went ahead and got this one, which has a built-in wireless charging as well as a USB port. So I can either plug in the USB, or I can wirelessly charge my phone here. Works pretty simple. So you just do this, and then these extend, and then the phone sits in there. When you push this button, it actually clamps everything down, so it holds the phone in there securely. So that's the new mount that I got. I'll put links in the description for the Amazon pages that I ordered everything off of. So hopefully this works better. I'm actually in the process of running the electric wire down along the gas tank and then back to my battery. Almost have that done, but that's my new setup, and we'll see how she works.